In a growing city like Deltona, Florida, peace and quiet at home can feel like a luxury. Whether it's neighborhood traffic, lawn equipment, barking dogs, or kids playing outside, everyday noise can easily disrupt your comfort and privacy indoors. One simple yet highly effective solution? Replacing your doors. Many homeowners overlook the impact doors have on soundproofing and personal space, but outdated or hollow core doors can let noise and distractions travel easily throughout your home. Upgrading your interior and exterior doors can make a surprising difference in creating a quieter, more private living environment, and it may even improve your home's energy efficiency and security. Let's explore how door replacement in Deltona can reduce unwanted noise and enhance privacy both inside and outside your home. Block outdoor noise with solid exterior doors. If your current front or back door is old, thin, or poorly sealed, it may be doing little to keep out the sound of cars, passers-by, or nearby construction. Replacing it with a modern, solid core or insulated exterior door can significantly reduce noise transmission from the outside world. Features to look for include solid wood or fiberglass construction, insulated cores for better acoustic and thermal performance, quality weather stripping and tight seals to prevent air and sound leaks. These upgraded doors don't just block noise, they also improve security and energy efficiency, making them a triple win for Deltona homeowners. Enhance interior privacy with better bedroom and bathroom doors. If sound travels easily between rooms in your home, especially bedrooms or home offices, your interior doors might be to blame. Many older homes in Deltona have hollow core interior doors, which are lightweight but do very little to muffle noise. Replacing them with solid core doors is a practical and affordable way to increase privacy and comfort indoors. Solid core doors absorb and block sound waves, offer a more solid, substantial feel when opened or closed, reduce echo and acoustic travel between rooms. Whether you work from home, have teenagers with loud music, or simply want better separation between sleeping and living areas, solid interior doors can be a game changer. Improve privacy with glass or panel door options. Door replacements aren't just about acoustics, they also impact visual privacy. If you have older doors with clear glass panels, outdated side lights, or warped frames that no longer close tightly, it may be time for an upgrade. Modern door designs offer a variety of frosted, textured, or tinted glass options that allow natural light in while keeping prying eyes out. And new multi-panel doors come in configurations that offer both style and seclusion, depending on the room's function. By choosing the right style and material, you can ensure your home feels more private without sacrificing aesthetics or natural light. Weather stripping and door frames matter too. Sometimes the noise issue isn't the door itself, but the gaps around it. Replacing a door also gives you the opportunity to improve door frames and jambs that may be warped or misaligned, thresholds and sweeps that have worn out, weather stripping that has lost its seal. These components are critical in soundproofing and insulation, especially for exterior doors. Professional installers will ensure that everything is sealed tight, further helping to reduce noise, drafts, and unwanted airflow. A quieter, more comfortable home awaits. Replacing your doors isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's an investment in your day-to-day comfort and peace of mind. Whether you want to reduce traffic noise, keep your conversations private, or create a more restful home, modern door solutions deliver noticeable improvements. For Deltona homeowners dealing with a noisy neighborhood or growing family, door replacement is one of the simplest ways to increase home privacy without major renovations. Plus, you'll enjoy additional benefits like improved energy efficiency, safety, and curb appeal. Final thought: if your doors are outdated, flimsy, or no longer fit properly, it's time to explore your options. With so many high-performance and attractive choices available, replacing your doors in Deltona can make your home feel quieter, more secure, and more private, inside and out. Contact a trusted local door installation professional today to get a quote and find the best options to suit your home, your style, and your soundproofing needs.